Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gundharva, and please share these videos. Please contribute if you can. Today is Saturday, and Saturday is the day of the loner vibration. A little more serious day, a little more quiet day, a grounded day for sure, very grounded. Frankincense would be the scent of the day. Black or dark blue, the color. I'll read from someone who was a loner spiritually, the great poet Jim Harrison. The hound I've known for 3 years trots down the mountain road with a nod at me, pretending he knows what he's doing miles from home on a sunlit morning. He's headed for a kind of place he hasn't quite found yet and might not recognize when he gets there. Way up a sandy draw in the foothills of the Whetstone Mountains, I found cougar tracks so fresh, damp sand was still trickling in from the edges. For some reason, I knelt and sniffed them, quite sure I was being watched by a living rock in the vast, heat-blurred landscape. My zabuton doubles as a dog bed. Rose sleeps there, full to the fur with moo. Glanced in on a moonlit night. Glanced in on a moonlit night. Her slight white figure coiled on the green cushion, shaking with quail dreams. Sensing me, an eye opens. Single tail wag. Back to sleep. When she's awake, she's so awake, I'm ashamed of my own warm water dance, my sitting too long at the fire. The monk is 87. There's no fat left on his feet to defend against stones. He forgot his hat, larger in recent years. By a creek, he sees a woman he saw 50 summers before, somehow still a girl to him. Once again, his hands tremble when she gives him a tin cup of water. 4 seasons, the 10 oaths, the 9 colors, 3 vowels that stretch forth their paltry hands to the 7 flavors and the 1 money, the official parody of prayer. Upon this mountain, stumbling on talus, on the north face there is snow, and on the south, buds of pink flowers. Beware, O wanderer, the road is walking too, said Rilke one day to no one in particular. As good poets everywhere address the 6 directions. If you can't bow, you're dead meat. You'll break like uncooked spaghetti. Listen to the gods. They're shouting in your ear every second. Listen to the gods. They're shouting in your ear every second.